sa quick resolution dun sa hostage crisis kahapon sa Maynila, reaction na po ng PNP doon as assessment kung meron initial assessment natin.
Isa ito sa naging resulta nga ng programa ng ating Chief ng Philippine National Police to download policemen in the streets. So kung nasa kalsada ang ating mga kapulisan, kagaya nangyari kahapon, mabilis yung responde nila. We have seen what really is the result of the effort of the Chief PNP and of course ang ating mga local commanders to strictly observe yung downloading. And isusustain natin to through the continuous directives and inspection, and to see to it that all policemen or majority of the policemen, based on the instruction of the Chief PNP, should be on the streets. Kaya nagkaroon kagad ng immediate response. Number two is we have been training our policemen, a specific group of units on hostage negotiation. Kaya naging ganun ang resulta ng ating mga kapulisan sa response sa mga ganitong situation. As much as possible is, ang consideration palagi is the safety of the life of the victim and of course, yung hostage taker. Unless of course, there is really a danger on the part of the victim, then the last option should be the recourse. What happened yesterday is, yun na nga, last recourse, because our policemen saw it that there is a need to do it doon sa suspect.
Ngayon pa man sir, meron ba tayong i-initiate na parang probe or at least yung ating i-analyze pa natin yung naging situation na ako? Ito ba magiging part ng learnings ng PNP?
Yes, lahat ng mga situations or any activities na ginagawa ng PNP, lahat, karamihan, kagaya nito, meron tayong activity nung nangyari noon po. Any situation that would contribute sa learning process namin, nire-record niyan, dino-document, and then meron tayong tinatawag na critic on what happened. And sa ngayon nga, kung napapansin nyo, marami kami mga conferences, especially sa major events in APEC. Every day, pagkatapos ng isang event, may critic yung automatic sa gabi. Ganon din ang nangyari in every major event. Katulad niya, nangyari incident kahapon. Part yan ng learning process ng Philippine National Police to see to it na kung ano yung naging practice that provided good result, then will be adapted. Kung meron namang lapses, we correct it. And ito na nga ang nangyayari ngayon. Our policemen on the street, we train our people on hostage negotiation, and sabi nga, kung may pagkakamali noon is i-correct natin para hindi na ito mangyari pa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga po at malapit.